Yeah, I need that.
Damn, that's a lot.
Damn! Oh shit, you fucked me up. I'll push them out.
No, just eat it.
What?
Just eat it. It's not gonna really make that big of a difference. Okay.
I want to see if you need to.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day.
Come on,
We checked out of the hotel, and now we're eating in Flushing. As per Josh's recommendation. What is this called? Kaosong. This place. We're eating jjajangmyeon, and we got tansu. Yeah, rate the kimchi. I think.
Wow.
I think the kimchi's good. Yeah.
No. Kimchi's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Would recommend.
Yes.
Now put the camera on the real current person.
The Korean and Chinese.
But so that's like the main thing they sell?
Pop that shit.
I'm looking at the menu and it looks like it's like...
Oh, it said Chinese restaurant.
That's what I'm saying. But everything is in Korean.
I don't know. It'd be like that sometimes.
It's like a fusion. Jjajangmyeon and like jjampong is like Korean Chinese fusion.
Yeah.
There's a Chinese version of it.
I love that you're watching.
Yo, I'm getting hyped. I'm getting ready.
Wait, which one did we get? Which one on the menu did we get? I don't even
She's
know.
like super famous. She's like one of like yeah. I forget what her name is.
Bro, she's eating like 9 bowls of it. I'm getting ready. What?
Oh my god, it looks so good.
If she's gonna make it look this good.
I'm hyped too.
Sauce.
Yeah. Alright, just put the sauce on it. 간짜장 하나 더 주세요.
Stop
Whoa.
recording my recording.
Interception. Yeah.
Damn.
Oh my god, there's pineapple in it too. I love when there's pineapple in it.
Someone's allergic?
What? No?
No, just like,
I'm allergic, but it's okay.
wait, I'm allergic to cucumbers, onions, and peppers.
I'm allergic to chicken.
Tilt it more, tilt it more. Yeah.
I'll eat it anyways.
Yo,
Oh, big body.
Yeah.
일반 레귤러 짜장.
Because his is oh.
You gotta put the sauce into the noodle though.
I know.
Wait, this is sauce?
Yeah.
You put the sauce on these.
For all of it.
What am I doing? You put it in there. What the dog doing?
Yeah. Put the camera on Michael. Yeah.
Everybody get?
Wow.
Wow. Do yours. You're next.
자, 5단계 다 나왔습니다.
네, 감사합니다.
예,
감사합니다.
맛있게 드세요. 빨리 이거 비벼. 쿡소 씻기 되면 맛이 없어요.
Yay. Oh, hello. We just finished eating. I'm so very full. Thanks for the rec. Thanks for the rec, Josh. He's a local there. Local spot.
Yo, you guys forgot how to drink.
No, we did.
What did you guys think of the food?
It's just milk.
Back so they have space to
Yeah, you guys like barely ate. But you liked it? As long as you liked it. Oh, but you liked it. That's good, that's good.
That's awesome.
Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
I did. What are we doing?
Anything.
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Yeah.
We're headed back to Miami.
Yeah. How are you feeling about it?
Oh, big full of tea.
Oh my god. What did you guys think of ECAASU? Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Great times and great fun.
Yeah. What did you guys think about last night? Did you guys have fun last night?
Good.
Yeah. I liked the music.
Last night was great. Great time and great fun.
Well, not near about
I can really tell by the excitement on your face and your voice.
He's our spokesperson.
You know that one Kanye video? It's like, oh, I've never been. Or he was like, oh, I'm so happy right now. You can tell by my face. It's like, you know what I'm talking about? That Kanye video where he's getting interviewed.
Let me turn it to you.
Yeah, let at least talk.
Alright.
Update. We're here. We just finished eating. We're here getting boba. It's called Coco.
Go rate it. Take a
It
sip
is
and
good.
rate
It
it.
is good.
Out of 14.
Alright, smile. Out of 14, bro. That boy dumb as hell.
Out of 14, what's your rating?
Out of 14, I give it a... Why out of 14? I give it a 11. 11 out of 14.
Wait, why didn't you get
11?
boba?
How do you like yours?
But also, I wasn't sure if, like, you know, that's
good,
I wasn't sure if that was, like, extra. Or, you know what I mean? But it's okay, I don't mind that there's, like, not any in there.
Yo, bring me back to Toads, bro.
Wait, I really liked that. I really liked that club.
Guys, we're back on the road with Elise on the wheel, and there's a guy crossing. Holy moly. Holy moly. Let's see if we can make this 7-minute drive to budget car rentals. Elise, how are you feeling?
Turn left onto 111th Street.
Guys, real question.
Oh wait, right here?
Yeah, how's everyone in the back
I
feeling?
should probably watch the rest of Hunger Games today.
Ooh, I love
I
that.
can't believe you stated.
Read the rest of
I
it.
can't believe you stated the second movie.
Elise,
Wait, do you actually watch like
Do you-
the...
No, we all fell asleep.
do you think you're a good driver?
We actually had it on.
Elise,
Yes.
do you think you can survive in New York driving?
I've never driven in New York. Maybe with practice.
Look at that one-hander.
But you're still blessed.
What a true G. What a true G. You see that? Sweat. She's nervous. She can't keep her hands still.
This is my moment. Look.
Oh, little turn. Oh.
I usually go
No
to
one
like
hand?
1 mile. All my friends. I've never heard 3 seconds. But yeah, I think
What? Do you feel like you're camera trained now?
Low-key.
Camera trained? What do you mean?
Like, do you think I could hold this camera in front of your face for 30 minutes?
I mean,
I was too.
Yeah, you can if you really want to.
But
Can
they
you
did
hand-
have-
can you
they
handle
had
it?
really
Can
good
I handle it?
songs.
Yes.
Good. Why they didn't play Lil TJ? Oh,
Can you
okay,
handle it? Being on camera for like 30 minutes straight.
Oh.
Will you get camera shy?
Fine. Do what?
Will you get camera shy?
Do I get camera shy? No. I'm camera trained. Professional YouTuber.
I don't get. Yeah, me too.
Rate the boba from Coco.
I like it. I give it a
Damn.
8 out of 10.
250 is crazy. Hell no. But I'm like,
Whoa, I'm sideways.
negative.
Did you cue something? Did you cue something?
What's up?
Did you cue something?
I think so.
Didn't you? It didn't go.
Damn, sorry.
Do it again. That you want me.
No? You're not a TikToker?
Yeah. Get this.
Roy, thirst trap. Thirst trap the camera.
We're locked in.
Thirst trap the camera. Hey, wait, no, it's dark. It's dark.
Hold it down. Oh, did it work?
Wait, I don't know how to do
Alright,
that.
it only works one time, bro.
Thank you. Is
It
next.
only works one time.
We up next.
Oh shit. How do you do that?
Wait, hold this part. This part right here.
Wait, it didn't work. What's it called? No one?
Stabilize.
Move on.
Right?
No, I think it's the lighting.
Is it working now?
No.
Oh.
Well,
Maybe I wasn't meant to be on camera.
Yeah.
Who?
Guys, you see this? This is a very skilled on the phone driving illegal. Someone take away her driver's license right now. Do you even have a driver's license?
Security deposit are we putting at risk here?
Yo, we driving on a permit right now.
wait, you don't have a license?
No. Why not?
See that girl back there? Yeah, she can't drive for her life.
No, I can. I'm
See this one right here? She's on a permit. That one right there, she don't even have a permit. Dude right here,
I'm a
he just graduated. He just graduated.
Don't count.
Okay.
middle school.
Don't count.
This one?
8th grade.
Oh,
this one right here.
This one right here. This is a pro driver right here.
Wait, what were you
Put me on the
saying?
wheels.
F1? F1? Card.
We're getting to our destination in no time.
Roy, F1 or E1?
Shit.
Baby card,
F1.
Come on.
F1.
That's like weird flags. Okay.
Wait, what do you like about Lil TJ?
I did not place that shit.
He can rhyme well, like super goodly.
What are you talking
What
about?
do you know about that script? How I'm gonna skip town?
I don't know what you're talking about. Never heard anything.
No comment.
What song is it from?
I don't know. Oh, show them your hand.
Huh?
Show the fans your hand. Fuck, sorry. Fuck off.
Elise, bro. Damn, who taught you how to drive, bro? Dang, Carl, look at the green light. Basically, you see my hand right here. It's how it's all red. Yes, Elise was slapping me. This was a physical. This is physical assault. It's physical assault right here.
Okay.
Physical assault right here. See that? Boom. Caught on camera. Boom. I saw that. No one hand driving. That's dangerous.
Now who the hell's little TJ? Because I know everyone knows who Kodak is.
Everybody knows little TJ though.
And I don't believe him, honestly.
Genghis Khan.
Bro, they honked, but then like they're not even following me. Like what's wrong?
Cause it probably turned already. You ever thought of that? Oh hell no.
That was sassy.
Oh hell no. Alright, let's cut the clip. Do you want to drive the boat?
Oh hell no.
Do you want to drive? I thought you said you were.
Do you want to come out here alive?
Bro, we're in a rental.
I thought you said you were a professional driver.
Dime, on his security deposit.
I thought you said you were a professional driver.
I am.
In what world? In what dream?
In Speed Demon World.
Cap.
Come on, come on. You guys are all watching my dashboard footage. Look. And yet you don't want to believe.
Oh my god, look, it's New York.
Professionally.
Guys, it's
It's the Big Apple.
Guys, we can't see the cars blocking.
You know why it's called the Big Apple?
Listening.
What was the moment you were like, yeah, I gotta pray?
It's because
When the glass.
New York smells like apples.
in her cut.
What part of New York were you in? Because I never smelled apples.
Okay, real shit. Like no,
it's
I'm
the
not
state
like,
fruit of New York.
No, I am.
Did it actually?
I'm Speed Demon, but my cuts are like at least 20 feet.
Yeah, you drive
You guys see this on the light, looking at the phone.
No,
Hey,
not 10 and 2.
hey.
I drive. You know what? I drive on lane
Baby
correction.
girl was hot.
I could,
Oh.
I could fuck up. I can
What?
drift in Gran Turismo in
that's
the VR. Have you done like VR
Turn around and drop it.
You can drift like that?
Guys,
in Gran Turismo?
guys, can Elise see over the steering wheel?
do you even
That's
drive?
the real question.
Wait, have you done like VR? There's like a my
I ain't
friend
gonna lie, I drive a Tesla.
She thinks this is a roller coaster. Guys, it's a city.
VR like Gran Turismo. He has like the chair and everything. And like we've done it like we've done drop.
This is Elise's probably like 4th U-turn in her life.
Probably.
Wait, I don't know if I can like make it. Can I just go in there and turn around?
No, make it.
Wait, no, I can do it.
Yes, you can. You can do it. There's gonna be no cars.
220, yeah.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Let's see how the U-turn looks. Why is she whipping this U-turn? Who taught her how to U-turn? Who taught her how to U-turn? Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Look at that boy.
We made it. How was the drive, guys?
Guys, this is a 10 out of 10. Bad.
Like it actually comes out.
No, I'm just kidding. I have a little belly right now. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, Red Bear Skate, yeah, we've been doing too much, bro. I want to come back and be fun.
I got a little belly right now.
That Bobo, that Bobo low-key put me over the edge. Move your hand.
Don't punch it.
I won't.
Stop! Why are you slapping it? Why are you slapping it?
Move your hand. Feel it.
Why are you slapping it, bro?
Feel it.
Who is this guy?
Feel.
Who is this guy? See, hey, put the camera on the wheels. Yeah, life support right there. Why are you even sitting on it? Oh hell no! Damn.
What you guys?
There's nothing going on. Basically, he wants to take my. He wants my underwear. He wants my
Why
underwear.
does he want your underwear?
If I'm gonna be famous, I wanna like know what you're.
It's just my name, Elise Cho.
We're gonna be famous.
What? So what'd you
I don't know how
guys?
to spell shit.
Michael, what'd you guys just bet on?
Take it off.
We didn't bet on anything. He just said.
Well, you guys shook on it.
$70 for me to take off my underwear. Should I do it?
He already shook on it.
Should I do it?
Ask the fans. Ask the fans.
Who are the fans?
My fans.
Okay.
Your fans. Everyone's fans.
Should I take off my underwear for $7? Respond in chat. In the comment section.
Well, we'll see. We'll see in the next
Alright,
video.
500 likes on the vlog, and I'll
1
give my
million
underwear.
likes and 500,000 comments, and I'll do it.
You'll do what? You'll do what?
I'll take it off.
You'll
for
strip
him.
naked and run around the parking lot? You'll strip naked and run around the parking lot?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Alright, you heard it here first, chat.
Okay. It's in the vlog. It's in there.
You too big to be sitting on a small suitcase, bro. Your fat ass off it.
Come.
What do you mean, bitch?
Come here. Come here. Papa said come here. Hey, my child.
What? Why? I want to step over. Fucking weirdo. I want to step over.
He doesn't want to.
I want to step over.
My son.
He's like,
Listen to the father. Make sure you use the full body. You know what? Might as well just hit him. Turn the hips.
Hit him in the what? Hit him in the what? Hit him in the what?
Yo, you gotta free ball it.
He's gonna miss.
That's even better. Hit him in the face.
Whoops! Ready?
You're gonna break your wrist.
I'm gonna kick you in the balls as he punches you.
Oh. My turn.
Okay, go ahead.
I can't. Yeah, all of a sudden, you know now.
You skip back to him.
Hi guys,
And
we're on
fresh
the plane.
perspectives.
On our way back, so sad.
And restoration. And a re-energized desire to
Guys,
discover more.
Hey,
any final words? How was our
this is my
trip?
pledge right here. He does everything I say. He actually my son.
Connect you there.
My child.
He's actually my child right here.
Yeah.
This is copy what I'm saying. Mom.
I son him and everything.
Hi guys, we're watching Crazy Rich Asians all at the same time. We're back home. Ending the vlog. Goodbye. Everyone say bye.
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 Bye bye.
Bye.
Wait, it's kind of blurry. I don't know why it's blurry. Give it a sec. There we go. Bye bye. Night night.